How to remove Torx head bolts on a windshield on a 2005 Jeep Wrangler TJ. What I've been using is just this soldering gun. Go ahead and light it up and go ahead and stick that in inside the bolt. You're going to hold it there for a couple of minutes. That should pass the heat through to the Loctite, the factory Loctite that's on that bolt. I've already broke one T40 Torx bit. It was a sear, so I was able to go get another one. So let's go ahead and we'll just let this sit for a couple minutes. Going to warm that bolt up.